For a quick beautifying treatment of your concrete driveway, sidewalks, or foundation, here is an inexpensive application process. Here is the driveway before I began the process. I made several patch marks. I fixed cracks and little holes. Thus it was unsightly. There was no uniformity in color. Thus, that is why I applied this process, to get unity in the color. This is the beforehand. Now to unify the color of the driveway and make the patchwork disappear. Materials needed: a bag of Portland cement, a mixing hoe and tub, water and a push broom, and a large paintbrush. Please note the bag of Portland cement usually comes in a 94-pound bag. It is very, very heavy. You may need help. I don't know why they put it in such large bags, but it's very heavy to lift. Step 1. Sweep clean the surface. Step 2. Wet the surface down. Step 3. Mix a small batch of Portland cement, 2 shovels full, in water, and mix to a paint-like consistency on the soupy side. Step 4. Once the surface is wet, load your push broom with the Portland paint mix. Load it good, then start applying. Nice even coats in one direction. After a few minutes, you'll figure it out. Step 5. Let the painted surface dry for 48 hours and cordon off the area from all foot and car traffic. Also check the weather for rain. Dry and warm is the best weather. Otherwise, you'll have to cover it with tarps. Preferably, all cracks and potholes should first be patched, but if in a hurry, this process will brighten any concrete, and the cracks and potholes can still be fixed later. This process helps preserve the concrete. On a driveway, it's best to start from the top down. Use a paintbrush for areas near the house or other things you don't want painted. Be careful around brickwork or flagstones, etc., because this Portland paint will stain them, and removal is very difficult. For how to fix cracks and potholes on concrete surfaces, be sure to see my video on concrete repairs. Thanks for watching, and take your time. You can do it.